Recording in progress.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Batrisyia Sofea Binti Rofidi, and I am from 2 PPISMP Science 1. So for today, I will present about my summarization of my Project 1 and Project 2, which is Unplug Activity and Plug-in Activity of Computational Thinking coursework. So in this presentation, I will explain about my strength of Project 1 and Project 2. Second thing is I will explain about my weaknesses while doing Project 1 and Project 2. And the third thing is my response from YouTube, my friend's response. And last but not least, I will share about my suggestion for future work about Project 1 and also Project 2. So for Project 1, what I did was an unplugged activity based on title of Sense of Taste. And for Project 2, I did a plug-in activity using a Scratch programming based on title of Solar System. So the first thing first, I will share about my strength of Project 1 and also Project 2. I summarize that the science concept in the activity, which is both activity, plug-in activity and also unplug, is science concept is applied very clear, which is the solar system and sense of taste. And also the sound for the whole video is clear and loud. And the third thing is the component of computational thinking is explained in detail in every video, such as decomposition, pattern recognition, pattern abstraction, algorithm, and also evaluation. And what I found from my video that the arrangement of the main titles in the video is well arranged and easy to understand from start until the end. And also from Project 1 and Project 2, my activity is easy to access, especially for the young children, whereas this is for just for the animation and also a basic activity. And also the content of the video is suitable for all age, as I made it for kids and also applicable for young children also. So next is both videos are not so long so that the audience does not feel bored. And last but not least, the experiment and the Scratch programming can be played and remade by the children. So next I will present about my weakness from Project 1 and Project 2. So what I found in my video was the video that I made does not have any editing or creative feature to attract people, especially for Project 1. In Project 1, my video is just too much talking and explaining without showing any slide to attract people to hear what I'm talking. And then the activity of my Project 1, which is Sense of Taste, was so simple and not challenging. Because it requires the student or the audience to just stir the mixture and taste it, and that's all, without no communication between no need two-way communication between others. And also for Project 2, I found that my weaknesses is the activity does not involve two ways of communication, because my activity is animation, which is it requires the understanding of self-understanding of the players. So the next thing is the concept of science in the Scratch programming was not based on issues and problem related to the environment. As well as the video, what I did was solar system, and I just stated the fact about the solar system, and it will be more interesting if I put the science concept or science problem that related with the nowadays issues or problem. So the third thing, my weaknesses, I found that the process of doing and creating the Scratch programming is not explained because of the time required. I did not manage to explain about step by step of me doing the Scratch programming. And also I think because of this, other people also cannot learn about how to do this scratch programming coding. So the third thing is my response from YouTube. As we all know, we all of students need to post our videos with project 1 and project 2 in YouTube. So this is my response based on like and comments. So for project 1, I got 18 likes, 18 number of likes, and 26 number of comments. So this is the proof that I got 80 views, 80 likes, and also 202 views. And also this is my comment, which is most of the students state that, most of the audience state that my video is having a great explanation and easy to do in home, and also relate with 5 computational thinking skills, and also my audience said that it is easy to understand and have a clear explanation. And also that's all for project 1. For project 2, I got 38 likes and 5 number of comments. So for this is the proof that I have 38 likes and have 125 views. And also this is the proof that my comment, which is one student state that my videos or my scratch programming, my animation will help students to understand the concept of solar system in easy way, and my explanation also is very clear. And others state that this animations or this activity is suitable for the kids nowadays, and easy to access, and it's also easy to apply in the learning session. Okay, so last but not least, I will share about my suggestion for future work about project 1 and project 2, which is I want to correct my problems or my weaknesses from my project 1 and project 2. So what I did was, what I think was adding creative features in the video to make my presentation look fun, to attract more people to see my videos or to play my my scratch. Also I need to explain important point from the slide instead of just talking. So based on my previous video, project 1, what I did was too much talking and does not include any slide or just main point on the as a edit or anything. So for this for future work, I will explain important point only and avoid talking too much. So for the third thing is, I will choose interesting science topic based on real world issues and involve both animation and games in the scratch programming. For the animation, I will show the lecture or the concept of the science. For the games, I will the player will get the two-way communication for what I want to teach them, and to test whether the player is understand what I am teaching or what I am showing to them. So for the fourth suggestion is I want to make my audience to have two-way communication to test their understanding and efficiency of my project. So just now I stated that I want to make both animation and games to test whether my lecture is synchronized with the understanding of the students. And also I will add additional facts or new knowledge about our content to attract students or audience. My video for project 2, I just add the normal fact about the solar system. And also for the project 1, I don't put any facts or any new knowledge about the sense of taste. So I think for the future work, I will add more additional facts or new knowledge to attract more people or more young children to learn based on my videos. So the fifth thing is I want to make more challenging activity to explain the computational thinking as a method to solve problem. So based on my project 1 and project 2, for project 1, I think there's a bit of solving problem because based on the instruction. So for the project 2, I think I will make more challenging, such as doing games, doing quiz, or anything, questions or solving problem based on real world issues. So I think that's all from me for the presentation or summarization for project 1 and project 2. That's all from me. Thank you.